It's official. You can now literally utilize Jasmy coins to rent hotels, rent cars, go on vacation, do whatever you want, and they're literally giving you free money in Jasmy to do exactly that. Because Hera, Jasmy CFO, recently cited that he received a $50 voucher from Travala, which uses the literal Jasmy coin, yes, Jasmy coin, as payment currency. This is most obviously the use case for Jasmy, and I use it for business trips to Singapore and Korea, meaning that he literally pays Travala. Literally, they get their payments in Jasmy coin, not fiat, not, any other currency, Jasmy coin that we are invested in. And it says with this voucher, if you spend more than $200, you'll also receive $25 off or $50 off if you spend more than $400. Guys, this is what we're talking about. The real life use case, utilization of the Jasmy coin on a global scale, worldwide happening. It is happening quicker than many of us even expect. In fact, through a massive partnership that recently embarked with xt.com exchange and Jasmy, it says embark on this new year crypto journey with xt.com. To which now you can literally gift away your Jasmy. It's insane, it's mind-blowing, but it's utilization. So you have a buddy that, has his birthday, you can literally gift him Jasmy as part of this partnership. And again, it all adds into the real life use case of Jasmy. We're seeing it happen right now, right in front of us, and way quicker. And of course, it's all going to reflect in the true value of the Jasmy coin. Now, before we get right into the content, because let us talk about Jasmy and go through our daily market update, which Jasmy starts off today, down about 8.69% in the 24-hour mark, at a current price of 0.005267. The market capitalization is also down about 8.8% at $259.64 million. The volume in the last 24 hours is up about 27.9% at $34.3 million, with a volume to market cap ratio in the last 24 hours at 12.61%, a total circulating supply at 49.3 billion, and a total max supply of 50 billion. The charts are down, but this is only because Bitcoin is down. In fact, we'll go right to the crypto charts right here and show you guys Bitcoin is down, Ethereum is down, BNB is down, Solana is down. So it's perfectly normal to see something like Jasmy being down as it follows the market trends. We see Bitcoin down about 7%. So even comparing Bitcoin to Jasmy, Jasmy's doing quite well. It's only about 8% down while Bitcoin's down 7%. So again, this is perfectly normal for the chart alignment, and it's expected, of course, to surge as Bitcoin's about to form another massive breakout. Jasmy's going to break out along with it. But that's not for today's video. Because today's video, we are talking about the globalization of Jasmy and the real life utility that is happening to it. And of course, the impact it's going to have. All we're waiting for, guys, is a massive news that locks up Jasmy's supply, which we're going to see in Q4 of 2024, or at least in April. And we're seeing the demand happen. The demand is coming, guys. We're seeing it with the volume spikes. It's just really a matter of reducing the supply, and that we're going to see in Q4 of 2024. Now, until then, it's all about being patient. It's about accumulating more and more Jasmy, holding the bags without really selling. And while that is completely up to you, that is exactly what I'm doing. I'm acquiring more Jasmy. I'm filling my bag. I'm not selling any, but I'm making sure not to need to even dabble into it to pay my expense, because there is inflation. And so sometimes you have to work your way around and make yourself not spend the Jasmy, even if it goes up to 1 penny or 2 pennies. You want to wait for the big bucks, and that means you're probably going to wait another couple of months, and then that's when it will go into the dollars and potentially the double digits. Until then, there are other cryptocurrencies that you guys can invest in that's going to make you generational wealth. It's not just Jasmy. If you think it's just Jasmy, then you're wrong. There are other digital assets. In fact, one that we're paying attention to, and I think everybody should, is actually called the Crypto Trading Fund, also known as the CTF token, which is a blockchain technology that literally earns people passive income. And it's relatively new. So not only is generational wealth being created from this token, because it's going to surge, and we have analysts citing $980 per CTF token in a matter of months. And I'll show you these analysts because they're verified. And again, they truly believe in it to the point where they're putting themselves on the line. And I'm going to tell you, I'm completely honest with you, I'm buying in, and I'm bought into the CTF token, and I think so as well. Because when you look at the technicals of this, guys, there's very low supply of the CTF token. There's very massive demand. They have only 650 holders, meaning we're very early, and the potential is insane. Like, I'm willing to put 22 cents per CTF token, buy in at 22 cents, get in really early, which is the equivalent of like buying Bitcoin at $1, and then it skyrocket to $980, and I'm a multi-millionaire. And it may happen, and it will happen as per these analysts, to where Jasmy is going to skyrocket, yes, but CTF token is going to break records, surging up to $980. Guys, it's the idea of getting in early and selling at its highs. If you're able to get into the next Bitcoin that's going to surge a million, 2-3 million%, go all the way to $900 and make you generational wealth, and at the same time, through the blockchain mechanism, through just holding the CTF token and waiting for it to surge to make you generational wealth, which is not even going to be that long, it's going to be a couple months, you can earn passive income because that's what the CTF token is for. It's literally an innovative network and platform that actively serves you, making you generate money while you sleep through passive income, because every time somebody sells, you get 1% added into, or 1% gets redistributed back into this holding the token. So no matter what happens, you're making money. Whether sell orders are happening while you sleep, you're earning passive income. And if a buy order happens, then you're making money because the value of your coin is rising. So to me, there's no loss here. It's all about creating bigger and bigger wealth. You're making more and more money. And actually what that has led me to do is, now that I'm earning passive income because I own the CTF token, I'm able to dedicate more time to working more hours, to getting myself more money, which then I can reinvest into CTF, which then makes me more passive income. And the goal here is that I don't need to dabble into Jasmy at all. I can literally just go ahead and live comfortably off of my CTF tokens and the passive income that it's generating me, while waiting for a CTF token to skyrocket and Jasmy to skyrocket as well. And then eventually, I don't even need to sell any of them, or if I want to sell, it's literally saving money, because my passive income, now that I own a good chunk of CTF token, is just generating me that profits where I can retire just off of my passive income. And so this is the vision here, guys. The vision is to earn as much passive income as possible, making money while you sleep, because, you know, my analysis has showed, and through the research, 90% guys of millionaires all have passive income streams. They have multiple streams. And so this is the way to go, guys. Not only is it going to give you the asset, you're not going to lose your CTF tokens, but you're also going to go ahead, it's going to continue rising for you. It's going to make you profit while at the same time making you earn passive income. So it's like a double whammy. And let me make this clear. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is purely my personal opinion. I'm just telling you it. And in my personal opinion, this is a great risk over reward. There's little risk. There's massive reward to make generational wealth. We're talking millions of dollars. And it's all possibly going to happen in a very short period of time. And let me give you guys a little sneak peek here. They've literally announced that they're going to be doing a massive development, or a biggest development ever announcement, on January 20th. You know what this means? This means that the price has to surge, guys, because we've seen it in every possible situation. When a major announcement gets released, the price skyrockets. And so this is what we're talking about. You can literally get in early before anybody else. You don't know. Maybe this is a centralized exchange listings. Maybe it's something even bigger. Maybe it's multiple centralized exchange listings. Guys, what we're seeing here is a revolutionary technology that is going to make millions. And I'm emphasizing my personal opinion here, but the idea is, if you get in early to something that skyrockets, then you become a millionaire. And at a time where inflation is critical right now, it's most important to go ahead and diversify your portfolio. That's one. But number two is to take opportunities and seize them and try and make the most possible wealth, money out of them. And so this is an opportunity for me that I personally think is great, in my personal opinion, again, for myself. And again, you make your own decision if it's good for you. But January 20th is basically, it's a fact, almost a fact, not financial advice, that the price is going to rise. And so getting in early prior to this date, getting in now before, you know, the hype begins to make it go up and up and up, then this is where money is made, basically. You're making money, guys. You're making money because the price is going to rise because of this January 20th date. And it's been just a trend that we've seen in history. Before an announcement and after an announcement, it just surges. Cryptos seem to surge. They surge with Bitcoin, they surge with XRP, they surge with Jasmy. And then on top of this, again, you're earning passive income, right? So it's a win-win situation. As you wait for January 20th, you're earning passive income. And the January 20th, the value of your coins are rising, meaning you're making more and more money. Now, let's go back to Jasmy. I think Jasmy is doing very well, and it's going to skyrocket. And it makes sense because as we're going global, more and more institutions are utilizing it, meaning the demand is going to keep on rising. And that being said, I'm going to end off this video here. I think I've made the point clear, guys. Jasmy just needs a little bit of time. We're seeing global scalability. The demand is increasing. We're going to see a reduction in supply. The value is going to surge. It makes sense. That's what's going to happen. And that's what I suspect, at least in my personal opinion. And again, I'll emphasize again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy any digital asset. Don't buy Jasmy. Don't buy CTF token. Don't buy any cryptocurrency. Don't even buy Bitcoin without doing your own research. Do your research first. Make your own informed decision. And then you decide what you want to do. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe, follow, share, and I'll see you next time. Peace.